Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we talks about the meaning and the work rule of AI image generators, and I recommend the 5 best online free AI image generators for you to have a try. Now come to what is AI image generator. The AI image generator is a computer program that uses deep learning algorithms to create realistic images from text description. This algorithm is trained on a dataset of images and their descriptions so that it can learn to generate images that match the description. The AI photo generator is a tool that can be used to create accurate images of people, objects, or scenes from text description. This is useful for creating illustrations or 3D models from text descriptions, or for creating photorealistic images for research or training purposes. The number 5 is we all know about this online tool. It's called Canva. Canva has now made available to its 100 million users its new image generating feature called text-to-image. Text-to-image allows users to turn their imagination into reality by simply inputting words and having them transform into one-of-a-kind images. Text-to-image of Canva is said to not combine existing images, but rather create entirely new ones from scratch. This would eliminate the need of spending hours looking at existing stock images for a specific or unique photo unit. It also can generate art in a different range of styles such as photos, drawings, paintings, 3D, patterns, and concept art. The number 4 is Hotpot. Hotpot helps you create professional graphics and pictures. AI tools allow experts and consumers to spark creativity and automate drudgery. Easy-to-edit templates empower anyone to create device mockups, social media posts, marketing images, app icons, and other work graphics. The number 3 is CF Spark. Spark your imagination. Sometimes your design idea needs a little extra push to bring it to life. A new tool from Creative Fabrica allows you to create designs from text to image, backed by artificial intelligence. You can design and post images for yourself or even use the tool to create design elements that you can use and monetize in projects or marketplaces. You simply enter a text-based search query, which generates 4 images using powerful AI technology. The most important part about CF Spark: Creative Fabrica Spark is the first generative AI that also allows creators to make money. In the first few weeks since launch, the tool has helped designers create more than 500,000 elements from more than 3 million prompts. The number 2 is Nightcave. Nightcave is the ideal AI text-to-image generator to create authentic and creative images with simple words. You use the most basic English words to generate customized photos that will exactly depict what you want. In addition, Nightcave has several styles and creatives that are useful in generating versatile digital art. For example, the Neural Style Transfer allows you to convert real-life photos into an artistic masterpiece. With its easy-to-use software, Nightcave is ultimately beginner-friendly. Key features of Nightcave: different style options, create your own AI community, enables printing of high-quality creations, logo generator, low to the high resolution available, style transfer. The number 1 is Dream by Wombo. Unlike other AI image generators, Dream by Wombo offers unlimited image creation without any restrictions on its features and without any cost. This AI generator is the best option for people on a budget or students still in the learning process. Plus, it is super simple to use Dream by Wombo. You must create your account, enter a text, and choose the style you want for your image. Once your picture is generated, you can save it or create another by selecting a different style. Key features of Wombo: mobile-friendly, multiple styles available, 100% ownership of generated images, recreate NFTs to enhance creativity, high-definition pictures, enables artwork to sell as NFTs,